In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert the date in Microsoft Word. Adding the date to your document is a simple yet important task, whether you're creating letters, reports, or official documents. Word provides multiple ways to insert the date, and I'll guide you through the most efficient methods to make sure your documents are always up to date and formatted correctly. To begin, open your Word document and place your cursor where you want the date to appear. The easiest way to insert the current date is through the Insert tab. Click on Insert at the top of the screen, then choose Date and Time from the text group. A dialog box will appear with a variety of date and time formats, including different styles for day, month, and year. Select the format that best fits your document, and make sure to check the box labeled Update Automatically if you want Word to update the date each time you open the file. Click OK, and the date will be inserted into your document. If you don't want the date to update automatically, simply leave the Update Automatically box unchecked. This way, the date will remain fixed as the day you inserted it, which is useful for printed documents or records where the original date must remain unchanged. Another quick method is to use a keyboard shortcut to insert today's date. Press Alt plus Shift plus D, and Word will insert the current date at your cursor position in the default format. This is a fast and convenient way to add dates without navigating through menus. For documents where you frequently need to include both the date and time, you can combine these using the same Date and Time dialog box. Word will insert both elements, and you can choose to have either one update automatically while keeping the other fixed. Remember that the inserted date is treated as a field in Word, meaning it can be updated or formatted like other text. You can change the font, size, or color to match your document style. This flexibility ensures your documents look professional and consistent. And that's it. You now know how to insert the date in Microsoft Word using the Insert tab, Date and Time options, and even a keyboard shortcut. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.